Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this sweet and tasty cake with slices of apricot on top, as well as on the inside, and a caramel glaze. This is an easy and simple recipe that only requires a couple of ingredients, and is ideal to serve as a dessert to treat yourself and your family to something sweet after Iftar. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off with mixing everything in a mixing bowl. Whisk the eggs with the sugar as well as the vanilla sugar until it has dissolved. The exact ingredients for the recipe will be shown throughout the video. Afterwards, add in the cornstarch and cork and keep mixing everything together. Now add in the dry ingredients by sifting them into the batter to avoid any clumps and continue mixing by hand as shown. Now slice up some apricots to put on top of the cake. Of course, you can use fresh apricots or just canned ones like here. Now it's time to pour the batter into a baking pan. Then add the slices of apricot on top as shown and put it in the oven to bake until golden brown. And this is how the cake should look like when taken out of the oven. Now either leave it plain or add some caramel on top as shown. Spread that out evenly throughout the top of the cake, before then adding some more slices of apricot right on top. Now serve it on some plates and enjoy this sweet treat. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.